What's going on, Uber drivers, Lyft drivers? Welcome back to the show. Dylan here, how's it going? So in today's video, we're talking about a brand new app that is helping Uber and Lyft drivers earn $5,000 more a year for the average app-based driver. This is an incredible new app, new opportunity. They even provide drivers with guaranteed pay in select cities, and they do have an app nationwide. I'm gonna link down below. Before I get into it, they are right now giving gig workers $15. All you gotta do is sign up, link your account, type in your Venmo or PayPal, and they send you 15 bucks, okay? Those come out every Tuesday. I've had a couple people ask, where's my money, where's my money? They come out every Tuesday. You just gotta link your account and you'll get that money straight into your account just for, signing up right now. So let's get started. Work solo, let's check it out. So like I said, my friends, I am super ecstatic to share this opportunity with you guys. I think every single gig worker should immediately download this app. Number one, it's free, okay? You can sign up for free. They do have paid options, not gonna lie, but they do have a free version. As you can see here, the free version, it's a limited version of the app, but it has your personal income dashboard. That's gonna help you realize where you're earning the most amount of money. They have custom weekly income market reports. That's gonna give you inside data, insider info on, where's the best place to be earning right now. I know so many people use different apps. I've had people, they're like, oh yeah, I do Uber, Lyft, Doordash, Instacart, Amazon Flex, whatever. Like, I'm just doing the app that makes me the most money right now. So, and they actually share with you in your market. Like, this isn't just, oh yeah, in the US, Lyft drivers make the most right now. It's like, no, where do you drive right now and where can you make the most amount of money right now? And now for $3.99, they have federal tax projections. So they're gonna estimate how much you're potentially gonna owe in taxes, which is incredible. But not only that, they have automated mileage tracking. That is for tax deductions, right? And they're, the solo subscription fee is a tax deduction as well. So, and then obviously the $7.99 one does come with a daily guaranteed pay, which is free for the until the end of the month. But even without the free model, like as you can see here, it's $7.99 a month. But they have these options basically where you go out and drive from 10 to 11 a.m. You sign on to do Lyft, and I don't know, let's say you only make 32 bucks. They're gonna match the difference to make sure that you get paid. This is just an example, by the way. As you can see, it changes for all the different shifts that you're working. But I really like it. They work with all of these apps. So if you work for one of these apps, you can sign up. And yeah, they even have leaderboards. So if you're competitive like me, you maybe want to go out and work 500 bucks a day. But yeah, guys, Solo is awesome. And as you can see here, when you go to their pricing profile, average app-based workers take home $5,000 more a year, and that obviously comes with doing your tax deductions correctly, doing the guaranteed pay stuff in those select cities. The guaranteed pay is only available, by the way, in these cities. But I've talked with the team, so that's how I know all this works. But if you sign up in a city that's not one of these areas, it's actually gonna potentially allow Solo to have guaranteed pay feature in that area, which is pretty cool. Oh yeah, by the way, the Rideshare Guy advocates for Solo. He says Solo is bringing transparency to the gig economy and giving workers the information and power to earn more, from their planning and goal-setting features to their one-of-a-kind earnings guarantee. Yeah, I haven't seen another company do it. And they have the kahunas to go out and actually say, you know what, we're gonna kind of fill in the gaps for rideshare drivers. So many rideshare drivers have issues with doing their taxes. They have issues with earning a certain amount of dollars per hour. So yeah, thanks to Harry Campbell, they're in GeekWire, Fast Company, and Bloomberg as well. So all these people use it. They have FAQ. I'm not going to go over it. You can go over it on your own time. But yeah, check out Solo. And again, when you use our referral link, you're going to get 15 bucks on Venmo or PayPal just for signing up. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.